Hello friends, welcome to my channel CAD Design Excellence. Today we are going to make this part with the help of this sketch. So let's start. So first of all we have to draw this portion, and after that we can draw this part, and after this. Okay, so firstly select a plane, a top plane and normal. Draw a rectangle on it and dimension. This dimension is 25 millimeter. This one is 64 plus 6, 70 millimeter. Okay, now draw a slot. Simply draw a slot there, and now dimension. This is 6.5, 13 millimeter. Okay, so 6.5, and this distance is 20 millimeter. Okay, now we have to trim this portion and destroy our slot entirely. Yes, this portion also, and this one. Now we have to give this dimension to make 13 millimeter, and this dimension 6 millimeter. Okay, now go to finish sketch and extrude. Extrude height is 6 millimeter, and okay. Now we have to draw this portion. Okay, so simply click this face and normal tool. Go to sketch and make a rectangle and smart dimension. This is 6 millimeter, and this also already take 25 millimeter. Okay, so feature and extrude, and this extrude height is 18 and 12.5 minus 6, 24.5, and okay. Now make this fillet 12.5. Go to fillet tool and 12.5, this portion and this edge. Click OK. So our fillet is complete. Now we have to cut extrude this hole. Okay, so click on this face and normal tool, take extrude cut before and draw a circle. Now dimension it. This dimension is, circle dimension is 13 millimeter, and finish sketch. Extrude cut. Go to through all and okay. Okay, now this portion is complete. Now we have to draw this portion. Go to plane, front plane and normal tool. Okay, now draw this portion. We have to draw a rectangle again. Now dimension it. This height is 18. This is 30 minus 18, 12, and again 24.5. Okay, and the width is 12.5, so this is 25 millimeter. Okay, now go to feature and extrude height is 6 millimeter, and okay. Now we have to fillet. Go to fillet tool, 12.5, select this edge and this edge and click OK. Now we have to draw the circle. Go to this portion and normal tool, extrude cut, and take a circle, center point, draw a circle, and now dimension. This dimension is 30 millimeter. Finish sketch and extrude cut to through all, and OK. So our exercise is complete now. If you have any question, then please comment and please subscribe my channel.